Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform your memories into a stunning recap video in CapCut. So if you want to join the trend and create the 2024 recap video, here's step-by-step guide on how you can create a captivating 2024 recap video. First, you need to make sure that you already gather the footage. You can gather all of your photos, videos, and screenshot from throughout the year. And you can, after that, organize your content. You can sort your media by month or theme to make the editing process smoother. And here, you can use CapCut. If you are on mobile, you can easily open the CapCut app first. And if you don't want to make it from scratch, you can just easily find the recap 2024 recap video templates on CapCut. So you can do that by going to the templates tab and then click on the search bar at the top. Now you can just use the keyword 2024 recap. Okay, you can hit on enter, and here you'll find there are lots of 2024 CapCut templates video that you can select it. For example, this one. Okay, you can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use the first ones. In here you can see I need 58 footage, or this one 39. You can just choose which one, or this one 57. Let's just use the 39 in here. Now you can just tap on use template and find the videos or photos that you want. For example, here I'm going to just use photo. I'm going to just select all of the photo from this albums right here. Okay, don't forget to prepare it in advance to make it easier for you to find or recreate the recap video. Okay, I'm going to just add another one, because after that you can just tap on next and just wait until the effects is loading. And here is the preview of your recap. You can just see in here. You can also add or edit the audio or change the audio if you want to. You can also change the text, but I'm not going to. And this is the recap. And with that, the 2024 season comes to an end. Okay, so this is the recap, my recap. And that's pretty much all. So I hope by following the steps and incorporating your creativity, you can create a memorable 2024 recap video that captures the highlight of your year. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.